If you want to get the most from your TeamConnect bar, it is best to think of the overall setup for where the bar is being used. There are many things that can have an impact on the audio and video performance. First, always think about the size of the room and make sure you pick the right TeamConnect device for its intended use. Remember, a TeamConnect Bar S is designed for a small or huddle space, while a TeamConnect Bar M is best for a medium-sized room. The Sennheiser Room Planner can confirm the mic, camera, and speaker pickup ranges are appropriate for your room's layout to ensure the best possible sound and user experience. Second, it's always best to position the camera at eye level to get the most natural orientation for face-to-face collaboration and ensure every hybrid meeting feels as inclusive and engaging as possible. If eye level is not possible, then always place the TeamConnect bar just above or below the screen being used to get the best result. It's also a good idea to make sure people are not too close or too far away from the camera. This will allow the 115-degree horizontal field of view and AI algorithms to work to their best advantage, supporting a more natural meeting environment for remote participants.